Assalamu alaikum students, how you all? Hope you are best in health at home. They have an education foundation for deserving students online classes, Islamabad. And our video number 7, we will start exercise in composition in Renan Martin. 11 exercise 2, 15 exercise we will do in this video. Okay, let's start. Use as many suitable adjectives as you can with each of the following nouns. For example, models: a narrow street, a wide street, a crooked street, a dirty street. We are making many adjectives from one noun with one noun. Okay, a clean street, a deliberate lie, a black lie, a white lie. Fortune: good fortune, bad fortune, misfortune, ill fortune, great fortune, small fortune. You may say man: a great man, a good man, a bad man, a famous man, a wicked man, a poor man, a rich man, lucky man, an honest man. You may make more: a kind man, a gentleman. You may make more. Okay, you may make more: news, good news, bad news, sad news, happy news, pleasant news, dreadful news, important news. Okay, now storm: a violent storm, a firestorm, a terrible storm, a fearful storm. Health: good health. Yes, uh, health, good health, bad health, ill health, poor health, indifferent health, delicate health. Okay, novel: a good novel, a great novel, an interesting novel, a humorous novel, a historical novel, a romantic novel, a detective novel. Okay, uh, progress: good progress, rapid progress, slow progress, satisfactory progress, poor progress. Okay, room: large room, a large room, a big room, a small room, a spacious room, a dark room, a crowded room. Okay, incident: okay, an unfortunate incident, an unhappy incident, an unexpected incident, a striking incident, and an amusing incident, you may say. Okay, now we will do 12 exercise. Write down the adjective opposite in the meaning to the following. uh, Opposite adjective we will make opposite adjective according regarding their meaning. Courteous: courteous, cowardly, timid. This is opposite of the courteous. Many, many, uh, opposite adjective is few. Wild, wild, tame. Tame is your opposite adjective of tame, wild. Hot, definitely hot, opposite cold. Lean, fat. Lean means thin or fat. Heavy, heavy, light. Costly, cheap. And barren, fertile. Beautiful, beautiful, ugly. Patient, impatient, impatient, patient, impatient, patient, impatient. Strong, weak, experienced, inexperienced, slow, fast, friendly, unfriendly, cruel, kind, soft, hard. Now, this is the exercise of chapter number 10. Sorry, now we will do exercise number 13. It would be on page number, and we will discuss here comparative adjective, simple adjective, the degrees of adjective we will discuss here in exercise. Okay, exercise in grammar 13. uh, we have Yes, exercise 13 we will do in this video. Okay, compare the following adjectives. Only we will discuss our comparative adjective and superlative. We will discuss how black, first of all, black, blacker, second degree, and blackest, superlative degree. What is the degree of, what are the degree of adjectives? Actually, simple or positive degree is simple, no comparison is made in simple, just he is good, he is bad. These are the example of simple adjective. And first degree, or you may say positive degree. Second is comparative degree, and when you are going to compare between two things, between two men, between two countries, any comparison is made among two, between two, sorry, between two. Okay, when you are going to you are going to compare one thing from the rest of the whole thing, that is called the superlative degree, and we will use the highest, the smallest, the biggest, the greatest. These are the examples of superlative degree. Now start black. Black, blacker, 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 blackest, blackest, blackest. Excellent, more excellent, most excellent. Safe, ill, you will see ill, and more ill, most ill. Gloomy, gloomier, 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 GLOOMIEST, gloomiest. Mad, madder, maddest. Mad, 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 MADDER, madder, MADDEST, maddest. Safe, safer, safest. Safe, safer, 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 SAFEST, safest. Okay, bad, worse, worst. WORSE, worse, WORST, worst. Bad, worse, worst. Unjust, more unjust, most unjust. Gay, gear, GAYER, gear, GAYEST, guest. Able, abler, ablest. ABLER, abler, ABLEST, ablest. Dry, drier, 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 DRIEST, driest. Timid, more timid, most timid. Ugly, uglier, 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 ugliest. UGLIEST, ugliest. Okay, true, truer, 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 truest. TRUEST, truest. Swear, more swear, most swear. Exact, more exact, most exact. Agreeable, more agreeable, most agreeable. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Little, less, and least. Yes, few, fewer, fewest. FEWER, fewer, FEWEST, fewest. Numerous, more numerous, most numerous. Merry, merrier, 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 MERRIEST, merriest. Now we will do exercise 15, and we will point out the adjective and name the degree of comparison. Degree of comparison, we will identify it is positive degrees, is comparative degrees, is superlative degree. We have three degrees. First is simple degree or positive degree, second is comparative degree, and third is superlative degree. Okay, the poor man had been happier days. Poor is your positive degree of adjective, and happier is your comparative degree of adjective. Okay, do not talk such sentences. Do not talk such sentences. Such is your positive degree. Make less noise. Less is your comparative degree, second degree. Make less noise. Little, less, least. Okay. That child has a slight cold. A slight cold, this is positive degree. Alive as is stronger than a that lion. Stronger is your comparative degree. Then is always used in comparative degree. The article is used for the highest degree or superlative degree. Okay, stronger than than, then this is only used for comparative degree. Say the same things twice here. Same is your positive degree. Solomon was one of the wisest men. The wisest man, this is superlative degree. Hunger is the best sauce. The best sauce. The is your, now here it is used, and this is superlative degree. His simple word is as good as an oath. Uh, as good as, this is comparative, but good is simple degree. A simple is his simple word, simple is your positive degree. Good is your again positive degree. There was not the slightest excuse. The slightest excuse, this is your superlative degree. My knife is sharper than yours. Again, this is comparative degree. Small people love to talk of great men. This is again love to talk of great men. Great is your positive degree. Of two evils, choose the less. Less is again your comparative degree. I hope the matter will be cleared up someday. Some is your positive degree. Your son makes no progress in his study. No is your positive degree. Open rebuke is better than again comparative degree. Then secret love, we never had a such report, such is your positive degree. I have other things to attend to. And other things, I have other things to attend to, this is your positive degree. Haris is the idlest boy. The idlest boy, it means this is your superlative degree. I promise you a fair hearing. A fair, this is positive degree. There is much to be said on both, much, more, most. Much is your positive degree. He gave the boys much welcome. Again, much is your positive degree. Okay. He thinks he is sorry. He is wiser than his father. Wiser than, again comparative degree. No news is good news. Good is your positive degree. Bangladesh has the largest tea garden, the largest, it means this is superlative degree in the world. Lead is heavier than any other matter. Lead is heavier than any other metal. Heavier than is positive degree. Comparative degree. I congratulated him on his good fortune. Good is your positive degree. He has many powerful friends. Many powerful friends, this is positive degree. The longest lane, this is superlative degree. Have a nice day. Keep watching my videos. Upcoming videos, we will complete all exercises of Cran and Martin, inshallah, in my upcoming videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching and you will enjoy, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.